let us open the file for node. You can see there is one node.cc and node.h file, but you can open this file too, but let me tell you, there is one more file named mobile node.cc and mobile node.h. So you should open this one, because the class for node.h or for node.h or node.cc file is combined in this one also. If you have some basic knowledge of C++, then you can understand. I will not be going much into the programming. Means if you don't know the C++, if somebody doesn't know the C++ very well, then they also can understand this session. There will be no problem. Okay, so let us see what is written in this. X underscore y underscore z underscore. I am going towards the particular line that is important for you. If you learn on your own, then it will be very complicated. Complicated means you will have to search too much. Okay. So I will be telling you. You can see here x underscore y underscore z underscore speed and all are initialized by 0. Okay. Everything is initialized by 0 earlier. Base station -1. Some basic some variables are initialized. So if you remember, we defined in our previous webinar that the x position, y position, z position and speed of a particular node. Okay, if you remember it, then you can connect to it. What is written here? Bind x underscore comma and x underscore. Okay, bind y underscore comma and y underscore. So and z underscore comma and z underscore. What is this? I will tell you. Bind speed underscore comma and speed underscore. Okay, so what is this? The first variable written in pink color is defining the variable that you wrote in the your TCL file. Okay, let me open the TCL file. That will make it clear to you. Okay, if you remember this file, here you can see this line. So node set x underscore $x. So what is this x underscore? This x underscore is same as okay. So this x underscore is same as what is written in the pink color in mobile node.cc. Okay. This y underscore that is written in pink is same as this. So we cannot change this variable in TCL file. But if we want to change this variable name, suppose, then we can change it in the source code as well. Then we will have to change it in the TCL file. But why to change? There is no advantage if we change the variable names. So let it be as it is. Now, another thing is, if you remember this v, set v, expr, int, rnd 50. So we were assigning the speed between 0 to 50 meter per second to a node. Now, using this command, using this command, you can modify these source codes according to your protocol as you want. Okay, but how much you can change depends upon your knowledge of these source codes. Okay, but I have simulated many protocols in NS2. So initially I faced a lot of problem, but as I move forward, if you stick to your particular area, suppose my area is vehicular ad hoc networks. So now I do not have any problem in simulating any protocol in vehicular networks. However, it still takes 15 to 20 days for a protocol to get simulated, because there are many problems while we are programming something. Many bugs are there, many problems come. So that is why it still takes some time, but you can change it according to your convenience. So today I am telling you the main codes of the NS2 which you should know if you want to change any source code. After that only you can move toward your source code. And again, before going into your source code, means suppose you want to understand the source code of a routing protocol named AODV. AODV is known to everyone, I think. So first, the theory of AODV should be clear to you. Then only you can search for the particular functions in the source code. Okay. So these x underscore, y underscore, z underscore is what we have defined in TCL file. Okay. Now again, and x underscore is written, and y underscore is written, and z underscore is written. Again, and speed underscore is written. What it is? Is this variable and this variable same? No. This speed underscore is not same as this speed underscore variable. Okay. The name are same, but there is no problem in that. The name can be different as well. This is x underscore, we can take it as x only. Okay. So we can change it as x only. We can change it as y only, or whatever name we want. Okay. But the same name we will have to use throughout the code. Okay. Now let us see where this speed underscore is used. Okay. Pay attention please everyone, and if you have any doubt you can ask me immediately, because I will not be covering a large amount of codes, because it is not possible, but one or two codes I will be covering, and those codes will be the base of NS2. For any protocol, if you want to change these codes, you should know. Okay. And some tricks also I will tell you how to search for a particular source code and change in it. So let us see where we are using this variable speed underscore, z underscore, y underscore, where we are using these variables. So for searching it, just copy it and search it by Ctrl F and search it. Okay, somewhere we are using speed underscore here. Okay. Let us see. Here we are using speed underscore is equal to s. At many places we are using it. Okay. So there might be some use of the speed. Okay. Now pay attention what I will say now. Some of you might have worked on some new protocol implementation in NS2, or you might have read many protocols. Suppose you want to make a protocol. That protocol contains some parameters. Okay. And those parameters include speed also. Okay. Suppose you want to make a protocol of clustering. All of you might not be knowing what clustering is. Suppose you want to make a cluster, and in that cluster you want to make a cluster head according to the vehicle speed. For that purpose you will have to access the speed of that particular vehicle. Okay. And what you will have to do, suppose you have 10 members in the cluster, whichever node has the relative speed minimum with respect to all other nodes, that node is generally selected as cluster head. So for that purpose, I will not go into the detail of it, okay, because many of you might not be knowing what clustering is. So what I am trying to say, if you want to make a protocol in which the speed of the node is used, then you can use it using this variable speed underscore in the source code. Okay.